In today's recipe, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this delicious smoky coconut jollof rice. So here are the ingredients I'm going to be using to make this delicious coconut rice. So let's go. Here in this pot, I just added some vegetable oil. Then I cut in some onions in chunks. So I'll be frying the chicken. I've already cooked the chicken before now, so I will be frying it in this oil. So I want to use this opportunity to thank my new viewers and old viewers. Thank you so much for taking out your time to watch my videos. Thank you. I'm grateful. So after adding in the chicken in the pot for it to fry, I'm going to leave it there to keep frying, then check to flip it over. Then after that, I will go ahead to blend the tomatoes. So the tomato I will be using is the plum tomato, the canned plum tomatoes. You can use fresh tomatoes to make yours. So I will go ahead to blend it and set it aside. You can equally use frying pan to fry this chicken separately, depending on how you want it, okay? It's just that I want everything in this one pot instead of doing it in a separate pot. So now the chicken is ready. So I'm going to take it out of the pot. So the reason why I'm frying this chicken in this pot is because I want to use the same oil to cook the jollof rice. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel, like and comment. Thank you. So in this pot, I'm going to be adding some 2 spoons of coconut oil. Then I'm going to stir it in. Then add in some chopped onions. Then add some chopped pepper as well, with some green seasoning. This is the green seasoning I made. I'm going to be linking it up in the description. I'm adding in the dry spices, the curry, thyme, and some garlic. So I will stir it in together. Then the next thing is to add in the tomato paste. Then mix, stir it in very well. Please do well to check out for all the ingredients in the description box below. Then I will leave it to keep frying. Then I just added in some Italian seasoning and 1 bay leaf. Stir again. To all my new viewers, this is the Girlie's Kitchen where I make homemade dishes for you to enjoy. Then I'll add in 3 seasoning cubes. Please, all these ingredients is optional. You can make use of what you have in your kitchen. Mix, and mix again. Then after that, I just added in some salt. Then I will mix it so that it will be well combined. So this is time to add in the tomatoes I just blended. Then mix properly well so that it will all combine well with the tomato paste that was frying earlier. So I will keep stirring it, then cover, leave it there to keep cooking. Now I'm checking back on it. You can see the oil has settled on the top. So this tomato stew is getting ready. This is aromat season. So I just added some aromat season. Then you mix it all together to be well combined. Now time to add in the washed rice. This rice was washed very well with some warm water. Stir it in very well. Then I will be adding in some more salt. This will help it to taste more better. So before adding in salt, taste for salt before adding in any salt. So I will cover and let it cook with the sauce. Then I'm checking in back again. Then mix, mix, mix. Remember, this is smoky jollof rice. And now this is time to add my coconut milk. Then mix properly so that all the ingredients will be well combined. So after this, I will cover and let it cook with the coconut milk. You can see it's smoking out now. Never mind, this is the purpose of the cooking. So I just added some chicken stock. Do not add too much water into the rice. Instead, put bit by bit. So mix and then leave it there, cover, leave it to keep cooking. So at this point, I will cover it with the foil paper because I want it to steam. All right, the whole steam to be in there so that it will steam properly. So I'm going to leave it to keep cooking. I want it to be very smoky. So I'm checking it back again. Yeah. Never mind the smoke coming out from it. This is the purpose of this jollof rice. So the next thing is to add in the onions. Okay, the rice is almost ready. So I'm adding in the onions and some spring onions to it as well. So if you want to add any vegetables, you can as well add, or you can leave the rice plain like that without adding anything and without adding onions. This is just an extra. So I'm going to cover it for it to cook, but before then I just added 3 tablespoons of butter. Cover and leave it to cook a bit. And here I'm checking it out again. So I will be adding in my chopped carrot. I don't want this carrot to be overcooked, so I'll just mix it so that the rice will sit on it. Then I will cover and put it on a high heat for just 1 minute. So besties, at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly subscribe, like and share to your friends and family. Yes, so the rice is ready. Our smoky patty jollof rice is ready. This is coconut smoky patty jollof rice. This is so amazing. It smells so good, even though it brings out the smoke. This is the essence of that smokiness you're seeing because I want it this way. That's why it is called patty smoky jollof coconut rice. So now it is ready. Let's go dish it out. Will you be serving yours with salad or will you be serving it with plantain? You can serve this with plantain, salad, whichever way you want to do it, or you can as well eat it this way without using salad, without using plantain. So let's dish out this delicious food here. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to put on your notification button on so that you will always be the first person to receive my content, my food content whenever I post. So here guys, here is our coconut patty smoky jollof rice. This is so tasteful, very yummy. This tastes so good. Will you be trying it out, bestie? Give it a try and let me know in the comment section when you are done. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye.